to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexis Laurenn. I make lifestyle and personal organization videos and content. Teach people how to live both pretty and productive lives. I use personal organization as a means of finding balance, staying in the present, and planning for the future. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, please go ahead and subscribe, as well as like this video. So let's get on to it. Today I just have a quick unboxing of two planners for you guys. One from Moterm, and then I have a second from Pression. So without further ado, let's kind of get into it. I ordered one planner that came in this beautiful dust bag, as well as some 30mm rings. They had these 30mm rings on their website. I was really anxious to try them out. I've seen people switch to 30mm rings, and I'm finding it really hard to stay within the 26mm rings that I currently have in my pocket planner. So I thought these would be a good addition to my sort of collection. And I've been on a binge of collecting pocket-sized organizers because I really love them. So when I saw that this model was back in stock, I jumped at the chance to grab it. It is an imperfect, so I'm really anxious to see what those look like. This is my first imperfect for Moterm. But yeah, if you're not familiar with sort of the Moterm packaging, it did come in the bubble wrap mailer that I showed, and also you get it in this box. I've taken it out of the cardboard box just so that it's easier to film, per se. So let's get into it. I'm really happy to see this. So it's got this little drawstring bag, which is really nice. I've been saving the other versions of the bag, but I'm really excited to have this drawstring bag because I just think it's more chic. And so yeah, without further ado, here is my new planner. This is the Pocket Versa Litchi Black. If you have not seen this before, I have a comparison video of this model of Moterm planner, and I'll link it in the cards above. So yeah, this is just the black version with the flyleaf, the leather flyleaf with the pen loop. And then it's got this nice big inner pocket with two snaps. It's got the nice inner binding, the outer binding, and then they have added this nice little Moterm business card, which I think is really nice, and I'll definitely be keeping it in here. The back, it just has a little description and I guess sort of like web address for their Facebook group. If you're interested in the Versa or collecting any Moterm products, I highly recommend that you join their Facebook group just so that you'll get updated on little finds like them. Yeah, I'm not really seeing anything wrong with it. There is a little bit of loose thread here, so maybe that's why this isn't imperfect, but it looks brand new. Yeah, so that is the Pocket Versa. It's so pretty. I always carry black purses, so I think it'll be a nice complement to my black bags. So yeah, this is the Black Pocket Moterm version. And I'm just gonna put it to the side. Okay. So next up, we have the Pression order. I'm really excited for this. I saw Carolyn Plans on Instagram and YouTube have a print Pression from the metallic collection, and a couple other people with the silver. So this is what this is, silver pocket rings with snap. Yeah, this is my second order from Pression. I really have loved my first one. It's an A6 in white that I haven't featured on my channel yet, but maybe shortly. I just use it as a notebook with additional notes that are kind of too big to put in my pocket rings. So yeah, so this was from the birthday order slip, and then here is my Pression with also a drawstring bag. They have some nice tissue paper in the box with the Pression logo, which I think is really pretty, and the box itself with this beautiful marble is really pretty and quite on brand for them. So yeah, this is the Pressions. Ooh, I'm super excited to see this in person. It is showing up, I think, pretty true on camera. It is very metallic and silvery. and it's really, really nice. The rings are also very highly protected, which is really nice to see. The card slots, the zipper pocket, this little nice little secretarial pocket, and then the two, I think they're called duo pockets. Yeah, I'm really in love with this. I can't wait to use this. I might move in here soon, sooner than expected, or I might hold off. I am thinking about using this in November for my birthday because it's a really fun metallic shade, and this also has two buckles, so you can decide how tight or how roomy you kind of want to make it. I believe that it is 26mm rings, so it'll be perfect to transition from what I'm currently in. So yeah, that was the end of my video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please, once again, happy planning. I'll see you in the next one.